In this video, we're going to look a little deeper at conditionals. So we're going to use the same concept where I click a button and it runs this function. This function is going to ask the user for an input. So we're going to use prompt, and we're asking, how many siblings do you have? Please enter a number. And we're going to save that value into a variable called result. So before we ask, let's see what our result is going to be. So we're going to console log to help us debug the result. So let's go ahead and run that. So we enter a number and it spits out the number 2, which looks great. That's what we want. So let's check our if-else conditionals down here. So we have a result, triple equals 0, then we'll alert, oh, an only child, huh? Else, if the result is less than or equal to 2, it will alert bet you're the baby in the family. Else, if the result is greater than 2, it will alert, wow, you've got a big family. You could also just have another else here instead of else if. You could just say else. The result wouldn't be 0 or 2, it would be something else, and you could say wow, you've got a big family. Actually, why don't we try that? We'll just say else, and we don't need the result there. We just say else. Okay, let's try running this, see what happens. How many siblings? Let's say 2, so we should get bet you're the baby in the family. And we do. Now let's try 0. Oh, I got bet you're the baby in the family. Well, that's interesting. I guess it would be because it's less than 2. But it should have given me, oh, you're the only child. So there's something, I have a bug. I'm getting 2 and I'm getting 0, both of which I entered, but I've got a bug. So let's look at the result a little bit deeper. We're console logging it. Let's see the type of variable it is. So to help us out, to know what we're console logging, we're type of result, and then we do type of space result. And the reason I want to know the type of result I'm getting is because this triple equals, remember, it looks at both the value as well as the type. And so my result of 0 should have given me, oh, you're an only child. But the fact that it didn't means that this rendered as false. So something isn't right, which I bet is my type. So let's go ahead and try this again. How many siblings? Let's say 0. And it says bet you're the baby. Yep, that's our bug. Here we have it. So the result is being saved as a result of a type string. So our prompt here, when we ask, is defaulting our value to be a string. But we're checking against a number. A string and a number are not equal in type, so that's why this first comparison is rendering as false. So the easiest way to change that so I get my result as a number is to wrap prompt in the word number with parentheses. Clear that? Now let's try 0. Hey, only an only child. Good. So now look, the 0 is a number and the type is a number. So that is working. That is great. If we try again and we do 1, we should get baby. If we try 2, we should also get baby. And if we try anything else, it says, wow, you've got a big family. So again, we checked the type of variable. We changed the variable by adding number. And then we used if, else if, and else.